Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. So in this simple Java program tutorial series, next we are going to check a Java switch statement. Okay, so in the previous video we have checked how we can use an else if ladder. So a switch statement is almost equal to else if ladder. So we'll be checking with an example how we can use the switch statement. Okay, now let me create a new Java project in my Eclipse IDE. So this is my Eclipse IDE. If you don't have your Eclipse IDE, please go to the description. I have another video how you can install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now I'm going to create a new Java project. So go to new and select project, where you can see a Java project is there. Select next, and here you have to give the project name. So I am giving the project name as Java switch. You can give anything. So all others I am putting it default. We are not going to use any additional plugins or something. So just give the project name and just go to next and click on finish. We are not going to import any libraries here. Now just click on finish and wait for your Java project to be loaded for the first time. Okay, yes, the project has been created. As you can see here, the Java project has been created. So inside the src folder, let's create a new package. The package name I'm giving it as com.chilifax.com. You can give any package name. Package name is internally a folder where you can keep all your class files. Okay, so in this one I can create a class. So I am giving the class name as Java switch itself. Let's see, and we need a main method in this class. So just check mark this checkbox here and just click finish. Your Java class will be created with a main method inside. So the structure of a normal switch case is like this. We'll be having a switch keyword inside the where the expression comes, and expression may be a value, an integer value, a string value, anything it could be, string value and boolean value, anything it could be. And based on this value we can set the cases. Okay, so if the expression value is equal to the case 1, this code will be executed, and if it's case 2, and the case 2 will be executed. And there is an optional break keyword which we can use, and I'll show you with using and without using break what is the difference. Okay, now let me create an integer value here. Int I equal to 5. Okay, I'm just giving I equal to 5. So we are testing the switch case with this I integer value. So as I told, the switch is used like this. The first one is the case. So if I'm putting the expression, first one we have to write the switch keyword, and inside we have to put the expression what it is. Okay, so now we have to write like case 5 colon and write whatever your comment. So I'm just giving it as system.out.println value is 5, and I'm giving a break statement here. Okay, break statement. And same way I'm giving different cases here. Case 50, case 100, and case 200. So let me update the print ln values also. It's 100 and this is 200, and this is 50. And while we running this program, what actually is happening is we'll set I as 5, and in the switch case it will enter the expression I, and in if the case expression will be checking if the value of I is any of these cases. Okay, so if I is 5, this will print 5, and I is 50, it will print 50, and so on. Okay, so we have set the value of I as 5. So according to that, what is the value of I, the if each cases will be run. Now we have used a break keyword here, which means that if the case 5 expression matches with I and this is printed, it will break the switch case completely and go out of the switch loop. Okay, so to confirm, I am giving another println value here as done. Now let's try running this one. To run this one, just go to run as and take Java application. You can see here it will print the value is 5. Now let me change the I value as 50, and if I'm trying to run this one, you can see its value is 50, which means only this command is run. Now I'm just changing it as 200, and if I'm running this again, you can see here the value is 200. Now let me try something which is not having any of the case value, so I'm just giving it as 20, and if I'm running this one, you can see here none of the cases matches with the expression, and we didn't get any messages like this is not matched with any of the cases. Okay, so in such scenario, we can give another case here. The case name is default, so let me write the default here, and we can give any message. So the default case we can give anything, so I'm giving it as not matching. Okay, if any of the expression is not matching with the cases, it will just print the default value. Okay, now if the I is 20, now let me run this one. You can see here the message has become not matching. Okay, now you can see the break keyword is there. Let me remove all the break keyword, and let's see what is the change now happening. Okay, so let me expand this more. I've just updated the case values to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and the break keyword has removed. Okay, now what will happen is if you run, if any of the cases matches, it will run all the remaining cases. Okay, for example, I have put the I as 200, so this particular case will match with the expression, and all the cases after this will be executing. Okay, now let's try running this one. So you can see here after the value is 200, after this specific case, all the cases has been done because the break expression is not there. Okay, so if I'm giving it as 100, let me update it as 100. If I run this one, all the expressions from the case 100 will be run. Okay, so that is what using the break statement and with the default case also. Okay, so hope you got this how you can use the switch statement. So this is the Java switch example with the string value. So I have given a string name, and the name I have given as Messi, and if this name matches with any of the cases, it will print that. Okay, so if I'm running this one, you can see here the value Messi is coming, so this is printing from here. Okay, so that's all how you can use a switch statement using integer and string. And I have told that it will work for boolean. No, it's not true. It is not working for boolean. I have checked it. The switch statement cannot be used as boolean. Okay, it will work for only integer, string, and enum values. Okay, now I have shown you how you can use it using integer value and a string value. If you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you. I'll share this source code in my description. You can have it, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks for watching.